Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs more health, energy, and balance in life. This message might change the way you see your body and your health. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for your energy and well-being, but it's rarely discussed: heavy metals. These invisible elements enter our bodies silently, through the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and even through our skin. You can't see them, you can't feel them at first, but they slowly build up inside you, and over time, they start to affect your energy, your clarity, and even your mood. The most worrying part is that your body can't process them naturally. It doesn't know what to do with these substances, so it just stores them, layer after layer, year after year. That's why so many people feel drained, tired, or foggy without knowing why. But don't worry, because today I want to show you how to help your body eliminate these toxins in a completely natural way. There are two simple treatments that can make a huge difference, one with radish and another with cilantro. When used correctly, they become powerful allies in your detox journey, helping your liver and your entire system recover its strength. So listen carefully to every detail, because if you do this the right way, it really works. Heavy metals are found everywhere: in the soil, in the air, in cosmetics, in fish, even in some medications. Once they enter the body, they circulate through the blood and slowly accumulate in organs like the liver, kidneys, and brain. The main way your body can get rid of them is through urine, feces, and sweat. But here's something very few people know. When toxins are released through sweat and you don't properly cleanse your skin afterward, the body can actually reabsorb them. That's why cleaning your skin after exercise or sauna is so important. It's not just about hygiene, it's part of the detox process itself. The danger with heavy metals is that they're never metabolized. Your body can't transform or neutralize them. Scientists call this process bioaccumulation, a slow, progressive buildup of toxic substances inside you. Over time, this can damage your liver, overwhelm your detox pathways, and trigger all kinds of symptoms. Maybe you felt this without realizing what it was: constant fatigue, lack of focus, forgetfulness, irritability, mood swings, headaches, even depression or anxiety. Sometimes we blame stress or age, but the real reason might be the silent overload of metals in the body. That's why natural chelation, the process of binding and removing these metals, is so powerful. And one of the best foods to support this process is radish. This humble root has been used since ancient times in traditional medicine for its ability to cleanse the body and neutralize toxins. In fact, people used to use radish juice to help treat snake bites and poisonings because it acts like a natural detoxifier. The secret lies in a special substance found mostly in the skin of the radish called intibin. This compound has a strong bitter taste, and that bitterness is exactly what makes it powerful. It stimulates the liver and increases the flow of bile, which helps carry toxins out of the body. But to get the full effect, it's not enough to eat radish in a salad. It must be prepared in a specific way and taken on an empty stomach. Here's how to do it. Grate 1 tablespoon of radish with the skin on, place it in a glass, and add 1 cup of water, about 200 milliliters. Stir it well until the water turns a light purple color. Strain it and drink it immediately, before eating anything. This drink should be taken once a day, for 5 to 7 days in a row. Then, take a 3-month break before repeating the process. It's simple, natural, and very effective. If this information is helping you so far, take a second to subscribe right now. It helps the channel grow and allows me to keep sharing natural healing tips that truly work. Now, let's move on to the second part of this detox plan: the cilantro juice. Cilantro is one of nature's strongest chelating herbs. Its phytochemicals can bind to metals like mercury, lead, and aluminum, helping to pull them out of your tissues and guide them toward elimination. The recipe is simple. You'll need 2 handfuls of fresh cilantro, a piece of ginger about 5 centimeters long, 4 lemons with their peel, 2 cucumbers, and 1 green apple without the seeds. Put everything in a juicer or extractor and blend well. You'll get a bright green juice full of antioxidants and detoxifying power. This drink can be taken once a day for 10 days, no more than that. You can drink it on an empty stomach in the morning or after lunch, whichever feels better for your digestion. But remember, it's important not to exceed 10 days because cilantro works fast. It mobilizes stored toxins, and your liver and kidneys need time to process them. During this detox, hydration is essential. Drink plenty of pure water throughout the day to help your body flush out the released metals. You can even start hydrating 2 days before beginning the detox. Think of it as preparing your system for cleansing. Along with hydration, try to eat clean. Lots of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole foods, and no processed sugar. A clean diet supports your liver and enhances the detox effect. When you do this the right way, you'll start to notice changes. Your energy will rise, your mind will feel clearer, your skin may look brighter, and your digestion will improve. It's your body thanking you for helping it do what it's designed to do, heal itself. And if you love learning about natural foods that cleanse and strengthen the body, I recommend you also watch my video on garlic. Garlic helps the intestines and strengthens the immune system, essential for any detox. Garlic not only improves digestion and liver function, but it's also delicious. You'll find the link to the video here, and I guarantee it's worth watching. Remember, your body is wise. It knows exactly how to heal itself. It just needs the right support. By using simple, natural ingredients like radish and cilantro, you can help your system release what doesn't belong, restore your energy, and regain balance. These plants may look small and simple, but they carry within them the intelligence of nature, the ability to cleanse, renew, and bring life back into harmony. If you've been feeling tired, heavy, or mentally foggy lately, maybe it's time to give your body this gentle reset. Try this detox plan and pay attention to how you feel afterward. Many people report more clarity, lighter digestion, and better sleep after just a few days. The key is consistency and listening to your body. So, if this message inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next natural healing videos. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried a detox with radish or cilantro? I'd love to hear your experience. And please, share this video with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to know that healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the answers are right there in nature, waiting for us to remember them. Take care of your body, nourish your spirit, and trust the power of natural healing. See you in the next video.